Hi. Do you sometimes feel really, really exhausted or really tired that even after a full night's sleep and even napping in the afternoon, you still feel tired, right? That can happen sometimes when you're really exhausted after a long period of overextension from work to family to social, listening to too much of the news. That can happen. So let's get started. Today is day 5 of my 28-day February self-love, self-care challenge. Hi, my name is Eileen Jong. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, herbalist, and medical Qigong teacher here in Silicon Valley. So let's get started. And being day 5, we're going to be doing it in a chair today. So let's pull down the chief. Imagine a pair of hands behind you. Good. And let's get started with the old self-care of self-patting to refocus. And when we're really tired and exhausted, that's kind of all we can do. But at least there's something we can do that's good for us. No meds, yeah. And reconnect with our energy, reconnect with our chi flow. And oftentimes when we start Qigong, we're very stressed, very busy. And the regular practice and the regular pattern, in this case, of moving the chi into through the meridians helps the nervous system to calm down. Good. And again, patting all the way, everywhere. Let's do for one more time after this. And sitting in a chair, your back away from the back of your chair helps to move the spine and de-stress. Breathing is natural. Typically movement down, you will exhale. Movement up, you inhale. And actually, let's do a little bit of tracing along the same pathway. And imagine the golden ball going through the front, middle to the back of the spine. Relax. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And trace the same way again along similar pathways. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Breathing, as I said, natural, following the movement. So movement up, you will inhale. Now movement down, you exhale. Inhale. Inhale. And again through front, middle to the back of the spine. Relax. Relax. Good. And now let's go around the legs. We started out the first day doing this one around the knees. And then it's like a reverse rowboat. On my teacher specifically, he would call it knead the dough. So say it's the knead the dough, inhale, pick it up, press down with the base of the palm. Good. Show you a different view. And even though you're in a chair, you can try to lift your chest and sternum so that you give your body, your torso as much space, or rather your organs, yeah, as much space to breathe, to vibrate. Good. Nice. And then lift the chest, sternum, and allow for the elbows to completely open. When can no longer open, let yourself sink and sit a little further. Nice. Yeah, or round your back a bit more if you're in the chair. If we're doing in the chair as we are today. Good. And 3, 2, 1. Then we do the forward rowboat. Nice. And inhale, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down, allowing for the wrists to pivot turn. Inhale, maybe grip the hands into fists so that because gravity is heavy, is a longish inhale as you're inhaling, and just to get over the little hump, add in an extra accent inhale. Good. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And chi shower or pull down heavens, front, back, and sides, melting down. Relax, relax, and let it go down to the earth. And the next one we're introducing today is called Big Guy. So you're imagining absorbing the energy up from the roots in the earth. Squeeze the toes a little bit so it comes up the legs, through into the body. And again, lift the chest and sternum. Good. And as you lift up, yeah, you're allowing the torso to rise. And maybe like a little tennis ball size of chi, helping your armpits to open. It's a U shape. Good. Right? In other words, don't be trying to have a kink there or a letter V that or W that doesn't work as a shape. It's an expansion. U shape, N shape. Good. And breathe, opening. Relax. Beautiful. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Relax. Let's pull down the heavenly chi through the crown, forehead, nose tip, throat, the body, and down to the earth. And there you have it. A little bit of 12 treasures Qigong to make your day for day 5. Please comment, hashtag 12TQG, and like and subscribe and share. I appreciate y'all very much. Love to all the world. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.